to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. For a quick audio and video check-in on the stock market, here's the Stock Market Power Lunch.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Stock Market Power Lunch, Monday, July 11th, 2016. We're glad you're back. We're glad to be back. Celebration time. Let's talk about the markets. Markets are pretty much up across the board. Dow is up 64 basis points. NASDAQ up 75 basis points. Global Dow up more than 1%. Gold is even up just a little bit. Oil is down almost 1%. S&P is up about 0.5%, but we got to talk about that. Record high for the S&P 500, folks. It happened today of all days. So if you were expecting July 11th, 2016 is the date in which we would set a new record for the S&P 500, pat yourself on the back. You win. So, record-setting day. We're going to pop champagne later, but probably not on camera. We're going to have a really, really big party. It's going to be rated PG-13, so we can't really invite all of you out there because our podcast is rated G. But we're glad you're here. Good day for that. Oil, one note that we will observe here as oil is again down about 1%. OPEC said that oil output hit an 8-year high in June. So what that means is there is a whole lot of oil being pushed out. If you know anything about supply and demand, you know that when there is a huge glut in supply, which had been an issue in the past, you will start to see prices come down. So we are seeing prices come down a little bit today. We've actually seen that happen really since late May when we saw oil tick above that $50 a barrel mark. It's now down around the $45 range. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's about 45 bucks or so. Again, down about 1% today. So oil falling down a little bit. You guys, make sure you scroll down a little bit, hit subscribe. We really need you to be here. Really appreciate you guys listening to everything we're doing. We're going to be back later with the Investing Happy Hour, so probably about 4 hours from now. 2 hours after that, we're going to hit you with a long-form podcast. Myself, the two new guys here, the new analysts that you guys have met. We're going to talk about how they got to Narwhal, what they do at Narwhal, how they feel about investing, some of their perspectives, some of their history, some fun facts. We're going to pay very somber homage to Harambe, the departed gorilla. It's going to be a really special tribute to him. I think you guys will enjoy it. So make sure you hit subscribe so that you get to hear that. Also, later in the week, we've got a brand new segment that we are doing, and it's going to be a full episode. I think we're going to do this about once a month. We're going to take something that's super cool, super popular, super in the moment, and we're going to figure out how we can invest and potentially make money off that trend or that fad, and it's going to be called Next Level Investing. So a brand new show once a month. First episode of Next Level Investing is coming at you Wednesday night. So make sure you hit subscribe. I think you guys will enjoy it. It's honestly the episode that I am most excited about that we've ever had. And I'm not even being facetious. I think it's going to be awesome. Talk to you guys soon. See you in a couple hours.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.